wash and go. It's gonna be really quick. This is what I do, like, if I'm rushing to go somewhere and I just need to, like, define my curls. So I'm about to just show y'all my quick and easy wash and go routine. It usually takes me like 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I parted my hair into sections, and I'm about to show y'all the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to use this one, this Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, as my leave-in. I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Aloe Butter Whipped Gel as like my styling product, as long as and also this curling gel souffle, also by Shea Moisture, as my styling product. So yeah, let's start. You want to make sure that your hair is kind of damp when you're doing this, because, you know, yeah. Use my what is this? Tangle Teezer to define my curls. So we're gonna go in with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Like, just take that, rub it throughout my hair, saturate it till it's like moisturized and fro. I like to make my wash and go super duper moisturized because I know I'm probably not gonna do my hair again anytime soon, so might as well get super duper moisturized. I'm going with the Aloe Butter Whipped Gel. I like to use my fingers to detangle my hair. See, it's already defining my curls for real. Like, see that? Real quick. And then the curling gel souffle. I don't like to use too much of this product because it's very oily. So, ooh, that curling gel souffle came through. Yes, boo. See that? Just I don't even think I need my Tangle Teezer. Like, look at this definition, y'all. I'm gonna still use it anyway. I'm just gonna detangle everything, honestly.
Okay, so we're starting the other side. You want to make sure your hair is damp-ish. Spray some Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Rub that through. Y'all probably feel like I'm being really rough on my hair, but my hair is actually pretty soft because I deep conditioned it. I did like a deep treatment to my hair before, so it's like pretty soft. It's not really tangled. Honestly, that's why I'm just going like really fast. Because if you properly like wash your hair and treat it before you style it, I feel like you'll be good for real. Well, for me, I'm good. So I don't know, but yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna go on my Tangle Teezer now because I feel like I like my curl definition before I use the Tangle Teezer, so. This side always looks better than this side. That's them. But yeah. And now I'm gonna go in with the Camille Rose Aloe Butter Lip Gel. That through my hair. And then lastly, the curling gel souffle.
And y'all, this is it. That's all it is. Like, I'm done. It's over. Real fast. Hair is soft and moisturized and all that. All in a matter of what, 15 minutes? Like, who going late? Like, no. But now I'm gonna use this Wild Hair Growth Light Oil Moisturizer to moisturize my scalp because, you know, still gotta get that hair growth, you feel me? Alright, y'all, this is the finished result. Let me turn to the back. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button to see when I get some new content. Alright, ciao.